Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to Guaranty RV here on this brisky December morning. I've got this great, new to us, pre-owned Palazzo, a 2016 33-foot, the perfect size. A lot of people are looking for that shorter than 40 diesel, and here we have it at a great price. I will show you the outside right after we take a look at the gorgeous interior. Come on in. Stepping in to the Palazzo here, you'll notice the great room for company, lots of seating, extra sleeping, and above my cameraman here is a bed that comes down from the ceiling in the cab area. It's a great rig for a family or a friends that are going out on a weekend trip. A perfect kitchen with the double sink, expandable sprayer, lots of cabinet space, and lots of storage. We've got a TV with a sound system over the dining table, viewing for just about everybody in the room. Very convenient. The microwave convection oven, very roomy and great for baking those cookies for your camping trip. 3-burner propane stove and a residential refrigerator. These are becoming very popular. They do stay cool longer while you're driving. You've got lots of capacity in there for camping, more than a weekend. Nice roomy bathroom with, again, lots of storage, porcelain toilet, glass doors, and lots of hangers for your towels. It's a beautiful bathroom. Coming into the hall area, you've got hooks and pantry room for necessities, coats, hats, a washer dryer. Comes with this unit, the beautiful Whirlpool, stackable. More pantry space, pull-out cabinets. This is a nicely equipped unit for a family, and it is a diesel. Lots of cabinets and closet space here in the bedroom with a queen-size bed, a little nightstand and dresser area. This is a gorgeous unit, and again, it looks like whoever had it prior took care of it very well. Come on outside and I'll show you some of the storage. On this unit, you'll also enjoy a full body paint. This lasts so much longer than the decals, and it's also very beautiful, shiny and polished. A full-size awning that covers your entry door, which is great when you're hauling all those camping supplies in on a stormy day. You've got this storage area that also has a slide out, and it's passed through. It opens up on the other side. Beautiful. Access to your water tanks, easily accessible for winterizing and just seeing where your water's at. All of your electrical and switches for your diesel and your battery compartments. You have an outside access to the roof. Rear view cameras. Your death container. This side of your rig is going to be your working side. As you can see, it has a full wall slide, which is what gives you that spacious feeling on the interior. Your fuses, your electric room, and I don't know if you can not hear it or not, but that generator is very quiet. I can talk to you, and it's running right now as we speak. I hope you'll come in and take a look at this. It's a 2016 Palazzo by Thor, and it's 33 feet. My name's Teresa. Please give me a call at the information below, and I look forward to talking with you. Have a great day.